Hey everyone! Today we're making tomato ravioli soup. It's super simple. Let's get cooking. Alright, first let's cut the vegetables. Start with the carrots. Now let's cut the celery. Now dice the onion. Now mince the garlic. Then chop the mushrooms. And finally, roughly chop the spinach. Now we cook. Add 1 tablespoon of butter to a pot. Once it's fully melted, add your carrot, celery, onion, garlic, and herbs. Cook until the onion is translucent. Now add your chicken stock. You can easily make this into a vegetarian soup if you use vegetable stock and cheese ravioli. Once this comes to a boil, it's pretty much just adding everything else. First, add the tomato. Now we will add the mushrooms. Let the mushrooms cook for a couple of minutes, and then add the ravioli. Today I used frozen meat ravioli, but use whatever you can find at the grocery store. Read your package's instructions to see how long it will take to cook. Mine took around 10 minutes. Halfway through my ravioli cooking, I added the spinach. It goes in last because it cooks the fastest. And that's it! I love making soup because you have a delicious healthy meal in 30 minutes or less. Plus it's really versatile. Pick your favorite vegetables or what you already have on hand. I hope this video inspires you to make your own. Enjoy!